An ideal student paragraph. An ideal student epitomizes a harmonious blend of qualities that go beyond academic excellence. Such a student is not only dedicated to their studies, but also possesses a genuine thirst for knowledge. Knowledge. They approach their education with an insatiable curiosity, eager to delve deeper into subjects and explore diverse perspectives. Diligence and discipline are their guiding principles, as they meticulously organize their time, balancing coursework, extracurricular activities, and personal commitments. In addition to their academic pursuits, an ideal student demonstrates a sense of responsibility towards their peers and community. They actively participate in collaborative learning, willingly sharing their knowledge and helping classmates comprehend difficult concepts. Their humility is evident as they seek to learn from others and acknowledge that knowledge is a continuous journey. Integrity and honesty are the cornerstones of their character. Plagiarism and shortcuts have no place in their academic ethos. They understand the importance of originality and hard work, embodying these principles in their assignments and exams. An ideal student's curiosity extends beyond textbooks. They possess a broader awareness of the world. They engage in extracurricular activities that develop their physical, social, and emotional dimensions. Their enthusiasm for learning transforms into a passion for personal growth, as they actively contribute to clubs, sports, and community service projects. In essence, an ideal student is not just defined by their grades, but by their holistic approach to education and life. They inspire their peers, earn the respect of their teachers, and lay the foundation for a promising future. Their qualities of discipline, humility, integrity, and dedication set them apart as beacons of inspiration, showing the path for others to follow.